Hi, my friends Kkot-byeol. I am Soondol the Wizard. Welcome to Soondoland, a mysterious and beautiful land filled with many flowers and a lot of stars. Hi, Ssias. Hi, Aebeolle. What do you want to do today? Let's go plant some seeds and flowers in the garden. Good idea. Gardening is fun. I can't wait to see the flowers. I wake up early in the morning and give the flowers water every day. 3 months later, the flowers are blooming. I'll come back tomorrow. What happened to our flowers? Look at the footprints in the dirt. This is a deer's footprint. How do you know it's a deer's footprint? There are many animals in our garden. Every animal has a different footprint. This is a cat's footprint. This is a dog's footprint. This is a beaver's footprint. This is a bear's footprint. This is a squirrel's footprint. I see. Oh dear. Aebeolle, how can we stop the deer from eating our flowers? I don't know. We can ask Soondol the Wizard. Yeah, let's go. Look, Soondol the Wizard is in the garden. Hi, Soondol the Wizard. Hi, Aebeolle and Ssias. How can I help you both today? How does your garden have so many fruits, vegetables, and flowers? How can we stop the deer from eating our flowers? I have a home remedy. Home remedies have been used for hundreds of years. Long ago, people used natural ingredients from nature to fix a problem. To get rid of deer from your garden, you can sprinkle chili powder or spray vinegar near your flowers. You can also plant herbs that deers do not like. Deers do not like strong-smelling herbs such as cilantro, lavender, and mint. Aebeolle and Ssias, I have a special spray that stops the deer from eating the flowers in my garden. My spray is made out of vinegar and cayenne pepper. Pour some vinegar into a bowl. Then add some cayenne pepper. The mixture should look something like this. We will pour the mixture into a spray bottle. You can also add a little bit of baking soda into the spray. If you mix vinegar and baking soda, there will be a chemical reaction, so be careful. Aebeolle and Ssias, take some of my special spray and spray it near your flowers. Thanks, Soondol the Wizard! Remember, when there's a problem, you can find a natural remedy or a solution. There are many natural remedies to get rid of animals and bugs in your garden. A lime with cloves or vinegar and cinnamon spray can get rid of mosquitoes. Apple cider vinegar can get rid of fruit flies. Spraying a mixture of vinegar and baking soda can get rid of deer and bugs. Gardening makes us healthy and allows us to see the magic of nature. Let's go and plant some flowers. I'll give my flowers water and fertilizer. I will not have to worry about the deer eating my flowers. The deer is not my enemy anymore. The deer is my friend. Goodbye! I'll be able to see my flowers. Thanks. Love ya. Bye. See you next time. I love you. 사랑해요.